Hi everyone, good morning. This is 10 minutes past 6 Monday morning. I'm actually dressed, ready to head out for the gym. I'm actually going for the 6:30 a.m. class because I think my day is going to be really busy. I might not be able to make the evening class. I just want to start my week active and just have the energy that I need to start the day, to start the week in general. So getting ready to head out now or else I'm gonna be late. This is me just taking this moment to appreciate the sunrise. It's such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So I am heading out now. I'm going to home church. So home church is like a Bible study group that we do in someone's home. So that's kind of how I can explain it. So it's a special part of my Mondays that I really look forward to because it's just fun to be in a gathering of people where you can like discuss and just share stuff with each other and also discuss the Bible basically. So this time we've been having it at James's house and I'm going with my friend. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be vlogging. I will let you guys know.
Where I'm from. Oh, wow. We only live like over the hill.
It's a video.
One is jacuzzi out there.
Jacuzzi.
And he's got a hot tub, whatever. And he's got a,
Oh my god.
he's got a porch with a.
This porch. This is giving. Yeah, the woods, right? It's so dark.
Yeah, you can see for a long ways out there. He's got a lot of acres.
There's no dog here.
Rusty's not gonna bite you.
No.
She's just scared of any animal. That's just who she is.
He might lick you.
Dogs can smell fear. Hi, Rusty.
Model it. Let her model
James.
it.
This is how to model select.
This is what kind of content you're missing out on.
James, tell this about Uganda. You were in Uganda.
Can you tell us about how you made this?
About my what?
Uganda.
Uganda.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful place. They just drive on the wrong side of the road.
Yes.
We're gonna be famous with all this. It's gonna be on TikTok.
Copyrights.
You know, it's just gonna be all over.
God, I can't.
Thank you.
Why is this heavy? I never knew this was heavy.
What?
This?
It's high-powered binoculars.
I didn't realize it was heavy.
Amazing.
It is. This is like my first time.
Nice the other one.
Yeah, that one. But they're high-powered. I made those too.
Yes. What is this from? What kind of tree?
Okay. Hey, we're gonna sing "Happy Birthday" to James.
Okay.
The other James.
Everyone, march to go sing happy birthday
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear James. Happy birthday to you.
Ever be on my lips, ever be on my lips, your praise will ever be on my lips, ever be on my lips. Oh, it's actually really bright here. So guys, I'm heading out. I want to go do some grocery shopping, and then I also want to get my nails done. I'll see how that goes. Hi guys, hi. So basically I received 2 packages during the week. This is a Charlotte Tilbury Beauty foundation. This is what it looks like. Basically you get like promotional items that they want you to try, and this one is the Magic Eye Rescue. It's an eye cream that is supposed to help brighten and reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your face. This is what it looks. And then this is a moisturizer for the face as well. It's an hydrating moisturizer. So yeah, but yeah. This is the foundation that I got. It's the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I got this in the shade of 10 Neutral. And I'm gonna just open it and see. I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, basic. And yeah, so this is my old one, and I am actually almost out, if this will focus. So this is in the shade of 12.5 Neutral. So I decided to go 2 tones higher. So this is in the shade of 10. I'm not sure if this is my exact shade, but then I mean I'm gonna be mixing both if I have to. But yeah, honestly this is a very good foundation. Show you what it looks like here. This is the one in the shade of 10. You can just tell that this is going to give you full coverage, and if you have acne scars, this is what you need. I have a combination skin tone, especially in my T-zones. I tend to oil a lot here, but this really lasts long. It lasts for 24 hours honestly. So this is what it looks like in shade 10, and for shade 12.5 neutral, let me show you what it looks like. Just gonna, this is the shade 12.5 and this is 10. Excited about this foundation. Cannot wait to try this foundation, and I highly recommend this foundation especially if you have a lot of acne scars like I do. The second thing that I got is actually a shoe from Shein. I actually already unboxed this one. So this is my first ever heeled boot sort of, and I am loving this boot. Like, I just like how shimmery and shiny it looks and it feels. And this is what it looks like on the inside. On the inside is what it looks like. I cannot wait to actually get this out. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the link down below if you want to get this. I got this from Shein actually, so yeah, and I'm super excited. I guess this is it for my unboxing for today. I'm gonna see you guys later.